Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I will show how to make this simple 2D design for beginner. See, here is a simple spinner and center to center length 46 and another one 60, and here a bigger diameter, radius 17.5 millimeter and inner one 8.5 millimeter. See here and here distance 45 millimeter. See, and bottom circle 28 millimeter and inner one 14 millimeter. See here slot distance 32 millimeter and here arc 11 millimeter and 36 millimeter. See, and here to here 39 millimeter. So let's try to make this. First of all, I choose front plane and sketch. See, now I choose center line. See, here is center line. Now I make the three circle, one, two, and another one, two circle, and here two circle. Okay, try to define here outer diameter 28 millimeter and inner one 14 millimeter. See, now here 35 millimeter and inner one 17 millimeter. See, and here to here is equal. So first click the outer diameter and press Ctrl and then make relation equal. Okay, and also inner one at the same equal. See, now give the distance. First the circle center to bottom circle center distance 60 millimeter. Okay, and another one 46 millimeter. See, and vertical distance 56 millimeter. Okay, and another one 39 millimeter. See, now I choose the arc. So select here and 3-point arc. Click here to here. First, click the arc body. Press Ctrl key and press the circle. Make relation transient. Okay, now it's transient relation and same here. Okay, transient. Now cut the extra portion. So first trim entities and power trim and click the mouse left key and drag the downward. Okay, and here also, and then click the arc center, control this point make relation coincident. See, it's coincident. Now I select the line here, start from here to here, and some go forward and back this point. See, it's automatically transient. And same another one, so now it's transient. So first make sure it's horizontal. So see, now it's horizontal, and here also horizontal. Okay, first I connect line to circle, make relation transient. See, now it's transient. And another one, click this line and circle, make relation transient. Okay, see, cut the unexpected line. So here, cut it. Okay, now give the dimension. Arc radius here 14 millimeter, and this 11 millimeter. See, now uh, connect this arc and line, and also create this slot and center. See, first of all I choose the circle, start from here, no need to exact point, define later, and then give the dimension. Here is 14 millimeter. See, this center to another center distance 49 millimeter. Okay, now press this center, control this center, make relation horizontal. See, it's horizontal. Okay, and press this point and center point, make relation vertical. See, it's fully defined. Okay, and make this inner arc and radius. Choose the line, start from here to here, and go forward and back this point. Automatically it's converted. See, it's converted. Okay, first click this arc, and hold shift key, circle, make relation transient. See, now it's transient. Cut the extra portion. See, it is cut it. Okay, now then click this line, control this circle, make relation transient. See, now it's transient. Now define. First, cut this portion. Sorry. Okay. Arc define later. Now I select circle here and here, not exact point. I just define later. First, oh, first click this point and circle point, make relation horizontal. See? And then, okay. Now I cut this spinner. See, no need to cut. First of all, I choose line. So it's converted as center line, construction geometry. Take the line and start from here, this point. Okay. Here is incline, make relation it's horizontal. Press this line and make it horizontal. Now it's make horizontal and press mirror entities. Mirror about, mirror from center line. See, it's mirror. Okay, now cut this inner portion. First click this trim, power trim and drag this. Okay, see, now click this point, make relation transient. See, it's fully defined. Now click this point, control this center point, make relation horizontal. See, horizontal. Okay, now let's try to make slot. See, first I take this two circle and then choose the 3-point arc, and arc start from here to here. See, and another one. Okay, first click this arc, hold Ctrl Shift key and press this circle, make relation transient. See, here is transient and another also. It's transient. And inner one, press this key and same here. Transient. And this. Transient. Now I cut this extra portion. First search trim entities and power trim, drag this mouse lift key and here it's cut it. See, now it's cut it. And another also. Okay, then give the dimension. Arc diameter 22 millimeter. uh, Diameter 22 millimeter, radius diameter of the hub 11 millimeter radius. Okay, and here also 12 millimeter. Okay, diameter 12 millimeter and mass radius half of the circle that means 6 millimeter radius. Okay, and arc radius 36 millimeter. Okay, and inner one 21 millimeter. Okay, still now our design is not defined because some has mistake some things. Okay, first of all, click this point and hold control key and this point make relation is horizontal vertical. So now it's vertical, and another also click this point and this point make relation vertical. See, and now it's automatically horizontal. Make sure its all point is tangent relation. See, here is already tangent. So it's tangent. Now I make the distance from this point to here. First I choose the smart dimension, click this point and go to another point and make the distance here 32 millimeter. Okay, now here is all dimension given. Some dimension have mistake, that's why that means our design is still undefined. Make the defines of this drawing. So first uh, okay, it's still horizontal distance. See, it is smooth. Some dimension has a mistake. Click this point and this center make relation vertical. See, now our design is completely okay. See, it's showing fully defined. If you want you can make this design 3D, and after you can create this part of milling CNC milling machine easily. See, all are okay. So thanks for watching.